snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my last Christmas DIY with you. Today I'm doing a DIY Christmas panda. I hope you enjoy. I was recently shopping in Big W and I was in their toy section and I came across a bucket full of these cute little furry balls with panda faces on the front. They were just $5 each. I sat there for a while guys and went to myself, what could I make with these? My intention was originally to make a snowman, but everyone makes snowman at Christmas, so I thought I'd make a cute little Christmas panda. Turning around the first one, I used this as the bottom body, and then I hot glued the top one facing the front to the top. Now this would be a shell project without a touch of Chanel, so I took some dollar store glitter foam and I cut out the Chanel logo and hot glued it to the front. Make my panda a bow tie, so I took this dollar store glitter bow and attached one of my beautiful brooches from Spotlight Australia, and I hot glued that to his neck. And sticking with the Christmas theme, I took this dollar store glitter Santa hat and I hot glued that to the top of his head.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
Off camera, I also added a glitter rhinestone to his nose.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
Guys, this was truly a simple DIY. It took me probably an hour to do. I love how it came together so beautifully with something so simple as these little toys from Big W.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop when the bell on the door.
Guys, it's Christmas Eve here in Australia while I'm editing this video, and I wanted to get this video up for you tonight so I could share with you my last DIY for the year. I absolutely love sharing ideas with you guys, and I wanted to wish you all such a beautiful Christmas this year. I thank you for all your continued support here at Chelles Glam Home, and I can't wait to bring new ideas to you in the new year.
From this Christmas song.
guys, I have so many exciting ideas for you for this channel in 2020, and I will be doing an updated video in the new year to let you know the ideas that I have in mind. However, I'd really love your feedback as well, guys. Do you love just watching videos on always glam decor? Would you like to see something different? Do you love the Chanel DIYs, or would you like me to do something else? Your feedback is so appreciated, guys, and I would love to hear from you. I can't believe, guys, tomorrow here in Australia it is Christmas Day. I cannot believe how quickly Christmas came round this year. Does anyone relate to that? I just felt like 5 minutes ago I was looking at Easter eggs, and here we are now almost about to unwrap Christmas presents. It's truly been a very, very fast year this year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. A big thank you once again for all your continued support here at Chelles Glam Home. I want to wish you all a truly Merry Christmas. May the spirit of Christmas bring you and your family hope, happiness and love always. I'll be taking a very small break over Christmas, guys, but I'll have some brand new videos for you at the beginning of the new year. I'm sending you the hugest Christmas wishes, and I hope that your Christmas this year is everything you imagined it to be. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas.